ever sat in solitude, questioning the extraordinary power of your own thoughts? Have you ever found yourself marveling at how a simple belief, a mere thought, can sculpt your world, your very existence, your vitality, and your moments of joy? Well, my friend, it's time we collectively immerse ourselves into the fathomless ocean of self-limiting beliefs. Together, let's unfold the enigmatic shroud that veils their profound influence on the symphony we call our lives. Each note echoing the silent but potent power of our thoughts. Imagine a bird in a cage, its wings clipped, unable to soar in the vast open skies. It's heartbreaking, isn't it? But what if the door to the cage is wide open, and the bird, despite having the ability to fly, chooses to stay, imprisoned by its own belief that it cannot? This is the essence of a self-limiting belief, a thought or attitude that constrains you and hinders your ability to grow and progress. It's a bird with clipped wings, a ship anchored in the harbor, a book with half its pages unturned. It's like a sneaky thief. Self-limiting beliefs creep into our minds without us realizing it. They stem from past experiences, societal conditioning, fear, and doubt. They whisper in our ears, "You're too old to start a new career," "You're not smart enough to learn a new language," or "You're not fit enough to run a marathon." And the sad part is, we often listen to these whispers. But the question is, how do we overcome them? How do we break free from these invisible chains that bind us? First, identify them. Make a list of all your beliefs that are holding you back. Recognize them for what they are, mere thoughts that have no power over you unless you allow them to. Second, challenge them. Question their validity. Are they based on facts or just assumptions? Remember, a belief is not a fact. It's merely a perception, a perspective. Third, replace them with empowering beliefs. For every self-limiting belief, find an empowering one. If you believe you're not smart enough, replace it with, "I have the ability to learn and grow." If you think you're too old, tell yourself, "Age is just a number. It doesn't define my capabilities." Fourth, visualize success. Imagine yourself achieving your goals, overcoming obstacles, and becoming the person you aspire to be. Visualize it so vividly that it feels real. This will help you build the confidence to take action. Fifth, take action. The most important step to overcoming self-limiting beliefs is action. Without action, all your efforts will be in vain. Start small, take baby steps, but start moving. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Finally, be persistent. Overcoming self-limiting beliefs is not a one-time event. It's a continuous process. It's a battle that you have to fight every day, but trust me, it's a battle worth fighting. So, what are you waiting for? It's time to break free from your self-limiting beliefs. It's time to unlock the cage and let the bird soar. It's time to pull up the anchor and set the ship sailing. It's time to turn the pages and discover the untold stories. It's time to transform your health, your happiness, and your life. Start today. Start now. This is your call to action. This is your chance to overcome your self-limiting beliefs and become the person you were always meant to be. So go ahead, take that first step. The world is waiting for you. Welcome to the Architects of Excellence, the community of people who are dedicated to becoming the best versions of themselves. If you enjoyed today's Mindset Minute, consider joining us. We are entrepreneurs, dreamers, and doers, all united by the desire to live our lives to the fullest. We offer resources such as executive and life coaching, mentorship, and business wellness consultation. But more importantly, we offer a supportive community of friends who are all on the same journey towards self-improvement. To keep up with our daily Mindset Minutes and join the conversation, make sure to subscribe to our podcast and follow us on our social channels. Smash that like button if this video has inspired you to challenge your self-limiting beliefs. And remember, investing in yourself is the first step towards realizing the highest level of success. Start today. Start now. Write the new story of your life with us. We'll be here tomorrow and every day after that to help you navigate your journey. So, are you ready to become an architect of excellence? The world is waiting for you.